Yeah, just a quick review of the book, Back Pain Cure, a step-by-step guide to cure your back and shoulder pain naturally. Um, yeah, if you're having back or shoulder pain, a lot of times if you have one, you do have the other. I think this is a good book to check out. Basically, it's divided up into 4 chapters. I'll name each one briefly just to give you an idea what's in the book. The first one is back pain and shoulder pain. What is it? The second one goes over the various treatments for back and shoulder pain. The third chapter is interesting. It discovers diets and supplements for back and shoulder pain. And 4 is home-based treatment for back and shoulder pain. So yeah, I think the book, you see, it covers a lot of different treatments for back and shoulder pain. I think I think the author's sense of humor makes it an easy read too. So here again, I think it's a great resource if you're looking for that. I mean, there aren't that many good back pain books out there. But I think this is definitely a good one to consider. One other thing I want to bring up, though, because a lot of people don't know this, in this book, Treat Your Own Spinal Stenosis, there's a good chapter on multifidus strengthening. So if you've never heard of the multifidus, it's a small muscle in your back. It runs segment to segment, so you have a bunch of multifidi. And basically, of all the muscles that provide stability for your vertebrae, 2/3 of that support comes from the multifidus. So a lot of research, this is a very evidence-based book, go over a lot of the research on the multifidus, and what they're showing is that no matter what back problem you have that you can name, likely there's a study, like if you have like a herniated disc, chronic low back pain, spinal stenosis, spondylolisthesis, where one vertebrae is slipping forward on the other, acute low back pain. Researchers go around sticking the multifidus muscle with an EMG needle, taking biopsies of it, taking MRIs, checking out the size, finding that for about every back pain problem you can name, you probably have a dysfunction of your multifidus because they're finding a lot of problems with it. So they have a whole chapter on how to strengthen that, how to make your back much stronger. So you get better back stability, solves a lot of back issues. So this is definitely a good book to check out for that. Also has some stuff on the, this is more like a set program. Unlike the other book, this, if you're more for like, hey, look, give me a set program to do A, B, and C. I want to just get up in the morning, I want to do this, 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 and this. This would be a good choice for back pain. Even though spinal stenosis is one condition it treats, the program really addresses the functions of your back. So it'll make it stronger, more flexible, increase the proprioception, which is position sense. A lot of people with back pain have decreased proprioception, so that's just another thing. But anyway, concise program. If you want it here, do this. This is the book. Also, just for the multifidus strengthening. If you're looking for a good resource for, what are some things I can do for my back and shoulder pain, and you have shoulder pain, I think this is a great resource. So definitely check it out.